Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we've got a nice looking muscle car for you. 1972 Chevy Nova. It's got a 454 big block under the hood there. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, get the price, see photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. That's at volocars.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel real quick and click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see these videos as they come out. But right now, why don't you join me? We'll take this Nova for a spin. Overall impression, it's not perfect, but it shows perfectly well. When you walk up to it, it's shiny, it's straight. You'll hear it run in just a minute. It's got that muscle car sound. So it's a good looking, cool muscle car without having to spend a fortune. It's an Arizona car. The floors are just clean as can be. It has the original quarter panels. I was inside the trunk looking up there for seams and cuts. They're the original quarter panels. Again, the floors are nice, the braces, even up behind here, behind the tire, it's original metal. It's not rusted, not been cut out or patched. With that being said, it is an older paint job that shows really well, but there's a couple little bubbles down at the bottom. So it's not a rusty car, but a little spot right there. And on the other front fender down at the bottom, there's two little bubbles like the size of a pinky nail. But the bottom of the doors and quarters are clean. It's a dry, solid car. It's a factory code 2626. That means upper and lower, no vinyl top, Mulsanne blue. It's a nice looking color. The metal flake was laid out real nice, and they put a really glossy clear coat over it. This thing just shines, shows really well, and the fit is excellent. All the gaps, I'm big on gaps and how things fit and line up. The car's straight, everything's nice and square and lines up real good. I'm not going to say the chrome is new, but it all shows really well. It's a bright bumper, fits really nice. Does look like they bumped something. There's a scratch here, a little dent in it, but all this trim, shiny, fits nice, nothing's broke. So just standing there looking at it, it looks great. Polished 15-inch Cragar aluminum wheels, BFGoodrich tires, a little bit fatter in the back. Windshield's new. The moldings around the glass look like they were replaced too. This trim's good, original. Everything's straight, shiny, bright. Again, look how nice it fits. It's got a very nice interior. Bottom of the door is clean. The factory seam and spot welds are clean. Everything back here is bright and shiny and nice. There are some chips right on the edge here. Maybe the trunk slams a little too hard and touches that. So clean original metal. It's got a jack, got a spare. They relocated the battery to the back. It's a gel battery. It has nice custom back brackets holding it down. It's original blue paint under the trunk lid. The seams in the trunk here in the jam, the factory spot welds and seams are nice and clean. The original part number for the quarter is right there. So again, good clean metal. They put bucket seats in here, real comfortable seats. The cushions are real good. The upholstery is excellent. Door panels are real nice. Back seats real nice. Headliner is excellent. Visors look new. The dome light works. It's a turbo 350 automatic. It does have a trans cooler up in front of the radiator. Built 454 motor. It's got the rectangle port heads, aluminum Edelbrock intake, and I forget the name of it, but it puts the carburetor kind of at a goofy angle. It's got a big dual feed Holley carb, a complete MSD ignition system, a set of headers, really nice tall aluminum valve covers, got a little extra chrome going on here, a new aluminum radiator, It also features power steering. But everything in here is really good like the outside. I'm not going to say perfect, but it's all really nice. Nothing needs attention. The dash pad's real nice. The metal, the instrument panel, all clean, not broken or beaten up. New weather strips around the doors. In between the seats is an aftermarket console with the cup holders. Got B&M shifter on the floor. Yeah, very comfortable. It's got a tachometer. It's got a couple gauges on the pillar. Obviously fired right up. Very snappy, very responsive. I can tell it's not a timing chain. It's a gear drive that makes a little bit of a whining sound, so it's gear to gear instead of a chain. Yeah, that sounds real good. Oh, really nice exhaust system. It's all stainless steel with the X pipe in the middle, and they're polished stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. Got 10-bolt rear end with a chrome cover on it. Yeah, that sounds good. Little light car with a big motor, that is a muscle car. Very respectable, good-looking muscle car. You can visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a team of people will help assist however we can. If you have more questions or concerns, you want more pictures, you want a video of something else on the car, just let us know. We can help with the shipping and the financing. That's all at volocars.com, so you can reach out to us. Also, don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you can see a lot more of these great videos. Thanks for watching.